Picture this. An ancient ship is kept in a harbor as a monument. But it's old, and the wooden planks start to rot. So every time a piece goes bad, it gets replaced. This happens again and again until eventually, not a single original piece is left. So is it still the same ship? Your gut probably screams, yes, it looks the same, it's in the same spot. But hold on, it gets weirder. A philosopher threw a wrench in the works. What if someone was secretly grabbing all the old, rotting planks and rebuilding the ship on the other side of town? Now you've got two ships, one that has been continuously in the harbor and one built from the original material. So which one is the real ship of Theseus? This isn't just some dusty old puzzle, it's a story about you. Think about it. Your body is constantly replacing its cells. While it's not a complete one-for-one swap, the person you are physically is massively different from the kid you were years ago. And yet you still feel like you, don't you? So if you're not just the sum of your physical parts, what makes you you? Your memories? Your unbroken stream of consciousness? This paradox doesn't have an easy answer. It forces you to question the very nature of identity and what it means for anything or anyone to stay the same over time.